Let's see how to block app installs in iPhone. So just go to settings and scroll down and find screen time. Tap on it. If it is the first time you're visiting screen time screen, just set up it. And then what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have set up screen time passcode. Okay, a customized screen time passcode so that you only know that screen time passcode. Okay, so first time it is written use screen time passcode, set up that screen time passcode. Now once you have set up screen time passcode and screen time, now what you can do, just tap on content and privacy restrictions, and now make sure content and privacy restrictions is turned on. Now tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, enter screen time passcode, tap on installing apps and tap on don't allow. Okay, now whenever someone will try to install any app on your phone, it will require screen time passcode. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek.